Question 1. Mrs. Thompson opened her bakery at dawn to prepare fresh bread for the neighborhood customers. Question 2. The delicious aroma of cinnamon rolls filled the entire street every morning without fail. Question 3. Regular customers appreciated her generosity when she offered free samples of new recipes. Question 4. Children loved watching her decorate birthday cakes with colorful frosting and edible flowers. Question 5. The bakery won several awards for excellent quality and outstanding customer service last year. Question 6. Every Wednesday, she donated leftover pastries to the local homeless shelter and food bank. Question 7. Her chocolate croissants became famous after a food critic wrote a glowing review about them. Question 8. The secret ingredient in her grandmother's recipe remained a complete mystery to everyone. Question 9. Young apprentices learned traditional baking techniques while developing their own creative skills. Question 10. Mrs. Thompson believed that patience and practice were absolutely essential for perfect results. Question 11. The vintage oven she inherited from her mother still worked perfectly after 50 years. Question 12. Local farmers supplied fresh ingredients including organic eggs and seasonal fruits every week. Question 13. The bakery's atmosphere was always warm and welcoming with soft music playing quietly. Question 14. Holiday seasons brought special orders for elaborate desserts that required careful planning and preparation. Question 15. Mrs. Thompson's daughter decided to continue the family tradition after graduating from culinary school. Question 16. The community organized a surprise party to celebrate the bakery's 20th anniversary last month. Question 17. Fresh sourdough bread required a lengthy fermentation process that took approximately 18 hours. Question 18. Wedding cakes demanded artistic skill and architectural knowledge to create stunning multi-tiered designs. Question 19. The bakery's signature apple pie contained 12 different spices, creating an unforgettable flavor. Question 20. Morning rush hours tested everyone's efficiency as customers lined up for their daily favorites. Question 21. Special dietary requirements meant offering gluten-free and vegan options alongside traditional treats. Question 22. The bakery's success depended on maintaining consistent quality while embracing innovative ideas. Question 23. Mrs. Thompson's kindness touched many lives through simple acts of compassion and generosity. Question 24. Each evening, she carefully recorded sales figures and planned tomorrow's baking schedule meticulously. Question 25. The village bakery remained a beloved cornerstone of the community for generations to come.